I've seen heaven without dying, met the devil without trying, and they both seem to wanna talk to me. But I'm all out of luck now, and my dreams aren't worth a buck. How it's tough trying to land on my feet. This game of life plays heavy on my heart, and love is tough, but loneliness is twice as hard. And